Hello everyone, we are Huge Leap Week Team! And today we're going to present you to our 3-day awesome event.
Was great, good lessons and good food.
I predict that Huge Leap Week is going to be such a success that we are going to want to have a party in 1 year to celebrate how awesome it was.
It was actually pretty interesting because I'm not from ICT, I'm from business study, and it was nice to see what's up here and meet different people.